Messenger not showing chats? Stuck on loading? Or no internet connection? I'll show you how to fix it in minutes. First, we'll check if our internet connection is working properly. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Next, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Check if Facebook Messenger has any update available. If you see an update option, simply update the app. After that, go to your phone's settings. Tap on Apps, then search for Messenger. Open it and go to Storage Usage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Then go back and tap on Force Stop and confirm it. After completing these steps, exit Settings and restart your phone. Now open Messenger again, and hopefully your problem is solved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.